Welcome to the Fidelity Fractional Share Investment App Review Usage Experience. Links to the app are in the description below. Fidelity's fractional share feature is an excellent option for investors looking to get started in the stock market without needing a large amount of capital. This service allows you to buy fractional shares of stocks and ETFs, starting with as little as $1, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced investors. Whether you're interested in high-priced stocks like Amazon or want to diversify your portfolio, fractional shares allow you to invest without the need to purchase full shares. Fidelity's platform is known for its robust tools, research resources, and user-friendly interface, making it ideal for both novice and seasoned investors. The app offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, which means you can keep more of your returns. You can also trade fractional shares of popular stocks and ETFs, providing flexibility and an opportunity to invest in high-growth companies even with a smaller budget. One key feature is its ability to set up recurring investments, which is great for building a disciplined, long-term investment strategy. Another advantage of using Fidelity is its wide range of educational content, helping users learn more about investing and make informed decisions. The platform provides in-depth market research, advanced charting, and real-time data, which is a significant advantage for those who want to track their investments actively. The mobile app is intuitive and streamlined, making it easy to manage your portfolio and place trades on the go. Fidelity's fractional share option is particularly beneficial for those who want to invest with limited funds or test out different stocks without committing to full shares. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your portfolio, Fidelity offers a flexible, reliable, and cost-effective way to invest. Check out the link in the description to begin investing today.